If you want to show time ahead on your watch face in the Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, well, you can actually do that. Let me just show you step by step. So first of all, we have to start by opening settings. Now we have to scroll down and we have to search for the clock application that will be available just over here. And we have to go for that option called show face time to play ahead. Now we have to just tap on it and you have to use crown control to add some additional minutes. And if I'm gonna click on this icon, and now I just add 16 minutes. So take a look when I'm gonna go back into my watch face. This is the difference in the time. And yeah, that's basically everything. As you can see, that's how it works. And if you open the clock application to check the time, let's see where it is located. Where am I blind? Cannot see the clock application over here. Oh, let's check the view. So we get the alphabetical order right now. Okay, there's like no clock application over here. That's strange. But basically that's how we can actually change it. And now we got the different time on our iPhone and on our Apple Watch.